dear friends. The traditional Kerala festival Onam is famous for its grand vegetarian feast Onam Sadhya. There is a saying in Malayalam, Onam Undariyanam, which means if you want to enjoy the festival fully, you have to eat Onam Sadhya. You know, festivals or weddings, we Malayalis are always waiting for an excuse to eat Sadhya. But Onam Sadhya is very special. That's the time when we meet our extended family, spend some quality time together, prepare Sadhya and enjoy it. Today, I want to share some interesting information about Sadhya. Much useful if you are planning to visit Kerala or prepare a traditional Sadhya at home, how to serve it, or simply want to attend and enjoy one.
The sadhya is usually served on a banana leaf, also called tushanila. The leaf should be placed with its edge towards the left side of the diner. We start by serving a variety of crisps. They are placed on the top left along with salt. They are followed by pulinji made with ginger and jaggery, ulli curry made with shallots, and then mango and lemon pickles. Avial, a thick stew of vegetables with coconut paste and yogurt, is then served on the top right corner. It's followed by thoran, vegetables cooked with ground coconut, and merikuverti, a vegetable stir fry. A variety of items based on coconut paste and yogurt are then served. The spicy and sour khichdi and sweet pachadis. If space doesn't allow, the rest of the curries can be served in a second row. I start here with koottukari made with yam, plantain and black chickpeas. Then olen, which is ashcot and red cowpeas cooked in coconut milk. Kalan, made by cooking plantain in a thick coconut paste and yogurt. The next is papad and banana added at the bottom left of the leaf. We then serve the Kerala boiled rice, kuttarichoru, along with kattiparipu, a thick lentil curry and a touch of ghee on top. Usually, a sadhya can have 24 to 30 items. The famous Aranmula Valla Sadhya, traditionally made for the participants of Aranmula boat race, would include up to 64 items. You seem to have finished that. Would you like some sambar now? That would be lovely. The sweet curry is so delicious, isn't it? I know, the madra curry is one of my favorite too. Do you know, Sadhya is prepared based on the traditional practice of Kerala Ayurveda? It mentions about that 6 days needed to please the mind and the body. That's why Sadhya includes items with all 6 days. Wow! Would you like some more rice?
No, of course not. Can I have some palpaisam, please?
Is that your favorite dessert? Usually the first dessert served in Sadhya is the Pradaman.
Palpaisam is usually served after that. Pradaman it is then. If you feel the payasam's too sweet, try the pickles in between. It balances the taste.
Shall I suggest you to finish with a bit of rasam, the spicy Kerala soup, and then a spoon of rice mixed with buttermilk? It helps with digestion.
Yeah, of course.
I'm so happy to see that you have enjoyed the Sadhya. Was fantastic. How you know before I say it? Because of the way you folded the leaf. If the leaf is closed this way, that is towards you, it means you loved the Sadhya. If you had folded the leaf away from you, would have meant the Sadhya needed improvement.